Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives using app called RAR on Nothing Phone 1. So in order to do this, first let's open a RAR app. We've shown you how to get it in our other video. Now find the files that you want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. Here choose any files that you want to pack, click on this plus button, change archiving options so you can pick a name, set a password or change extension of this RAR file. You can also go for advanced or options to get more of the settings and options. In the comment you can leave any description about this RAR file, and after everything is set, click on OK. If you didn't change any settings, the RAR file will be created, and that's the simplest file you can get. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.